In order for conscious collaboration to occur on this planet at scale, in all peoples, in all nations, in all cultures, religions, we feel that the gap, the imagined gap between the spiritual and the worldly life process must be closed, integrated, synthesized, fused completely in every dimension of life, and constructively, wholesomely, and holistically, and positively. And that we are intending that occur, that we manifest and embody that in every word, thought, deed, behavior, choice, action. There's been discussion at many points along the way of what is the way in for new people or groups to the WSS, as if the WSS was a place or an organization or a process or something that an I or an ego identity could walk into and participate in. And we'd suggest that that is not an accurate question. It's not a question of there being a way in. There's ever greater resonance with spirit surrendered, God aligned consciousness. And that's the way in. And the only in that's arrived at is spirit, resonance and surrender to spirit, alignment and orchestrated participation with spirit in an embodied mode in this world. Lately, whether you believe, if you don't believe in astrological retrogrades, which we've been experiencing, whatever you would see the stresses of the world to be the result of, we in the WSS have been going through a lot of healing of the pain that we're generating as we move forward together. We've been experiencing stress, pain, even emotional wounding in some cases. We've been doing our best to meet all of those dynamics with love, care, support, positive intentions, respect, forgiveness if it's ever asked, and with the realization that with unconditional love, there's no judgment to begin with. We have been evolving our team of teams processes rapidly. We have many teams that are operating or doing fantastic work or creating fantastic results and outputs. These teams, the diversity team, the women's empowerment team, the esoteric team, the workshop team, all are evolving quite rapidly, learning together collaboratively. And that rapid acceleration of consciousness can be uncomfortable sometimes. We hope that the Healing Hub in its process and the mantra teams in their processes are soothing that rapid scaling transformation and evolution of consciousness that we're all participating in together. We hope that it makes sense that this process operating at global scale is what is likely to get us all to work together, to collaborate, to solve our collective challenges, to heal our collective wounds, to transcend our collective limitations of the past, to offer understanding where we've operated from misunderstanding or ignorance or judgment or negative emotion or prior tribalistic orientations. So scaling this smoothly, gracefully, joyfully is something that we intend to do. And we want this process to be an integrative process of recognized, realized equals, all human beings equal, all races, creed, colors, genders, ages, belief systems, equal contributors, equal participants, equal collaborators. Meeting the historical wounding of our world and the historical misunderstandings, the historical victim, perpetrator, rescuer dynamics that have been so endemic in our history. With that soothing balm of unconditional love and realize co-creative possibility is something that we feel is the highway, is the path, is the process, is the future of humanity, and is a light that's shining and revealing those possibilities.